Alright, productizers, now it's time to brand the Offsprout platform. Offsprout is made so that you can brand it with your own company's branding, so that your clients only see messaging from you. Presently, Offsprout allows you to brand the login page, platform emails, and your staging site subdomain. So let's look at the login page as an example. So here's the login page for our fake web design agency Yum Sites that serves food truck businesses, and I'll show you how we created that. So in the network home, you want to go to branding. And then first step is to upload your logo image, and you can do that here. And I've uploaded the Yum Sites logo. Next, you want to go to the login page tab. And here you can see we've uploaded a background image and set our screen color, screen opacity, and button background hover color and text color. So again, you can see here's this blue screen over the image. Here's the image that you'll see. And if we wanted to change the screen opacity, for example, we could just set that to 5. And maybe we'll change the button background color to this teal color. And button hover to a darker green. Now let's save that, and we can see how that affects our login page. So I'll just refresh this, and you can see the background opacity has been turned down, and now we have this teal color instead of the more pinkish color that we had before. Another thing that you can do is, in general, you can set your company name and your company URL. And that can be used in shortcodes on all of your client sites. So if you want to include that your website was built by your company name in the footer of all your client sites, you can include that in a shortcode. So here you can see we have website by, and we have a shortcode right here. And this shortcode draws from this and this. So that's a quick example of how you can brand the Offsprout platform.